Today we are going to explore one of the most nicer Italian deli in New York. We are taking you to Queens, in the north part of the neighborhood called Astoria, by the last stop of the N and Q train. This beautiful area is also known as Ditmars. The name of this deli is Rosario, an Italian delicatessen that was opened almost 20 years ago by Rosario Di Marco, a native Italian who was born in a little town outside Palermo called Borgetto. What makes this Italian deli different than any other ones? Well, you will find out very soon. Thanks to the brick oven, the pizza is made like in Italy, with a thick crust, and the ingredients are the classical one: organic tomatoes, fresh mozzarella and basil. The bread is always fresh: semolina, ciabatta, whole wheat and more. The atmosphere is like being at home. Everybody's friendly, from the owner to the employees. The sandwiches are made on request, but don't forget to ask an advice from your server. The selection of cold cuts include local and imported, mostly from Italy, as the prosciutto di Parma, prosciutto San Daniele, bresaola, mortadella from Emilia-Romagna region, and a large variety of cheeses from different parts of Italy. And if you are coming for lunch, don't forget to ask for an arancina, a Sicilian rice bowl made with grounded meat, green peas and fresh mozzarella. The lasagna is made daily, as the roasted peppers, chicken cutlets, eggplant parmigiana, roasted artichokes and more. At the end, when it's time to pay, you will always receive along with your change a smile. That characterizes the custom of Rosario Deli and its success that makes this place one of the best in New York. Oh, wait a moment! I almost forgot about the espresso. That will surprise your palate. Thanks to the coffee machine imported from Italy and the Napolitan coffee mixture made exclusively for this deli, this is definitely one of the best espresso in Queens. Thank you for watching this video. Reporting from Astoria, New York, Rosario Deli, Tani Taormina, New York's favorite cuisine.